Good morning, students. Very welcome in second session, second term. Wish you all happy new year. Hope you that you all are safely stay at your home in this pandemic situation, and you all are well. You enjoyed your Diwali vacation with your family. And once again, students, you come back here. I am welcoming you here in a second term session. So in second term, this is the first computer online session, and recently you will get your terminal examination result also. I know that you all performed very well in computer. Hope you that you all secure very good marks in computer. Fine, students. Okay. So students, in this today's session, I'm just discuss syllabus of this second term, and then I will start new chapter of this second term. Got it? First of all, students, I just inform you that what is your syllabus in second term. In second term, uh, there are 4 chapters you have to learn. Already you have finished chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 in first term, and now in second term I will start from chapter 4. So that syllabus of this second term, chapter 4, chapter 5, chapter 6 and chapter 11, that if you want to mark, you can mark it. As I told you, even I just show you. Please students, keep it open your textbook so you can easily get it. From this content parts, look at here that chapter 1, chapter 2 and chapter 3 we already done in our first term. Now in second term, chapter 4, chapter 5 and chapter 6 and then chapter 11. Total 4 chapter you have in a second term. Got it? And as I told you students, I am going to start from chapter 4. The title of chapter 4 is More on Microsoft Word 2007. Once again, I just remind you students that please keep open your textbook, because you know that whatever the content I am going to explain here, with that I will show you that practical part also. It means whatever you have to learn, that how you can apply this, that different effects in a Microsoft Word, that I will show you here, because you can't able to do practical here in a school. Now whatever you gadgets you have available at your home, if you can able to do practical, then you have to do. So it is better that you keep open your textbook, whatever I have explained from here, so you can get it well. And I will give you demo also from here, so you can easily get it, that content. So please keep open your textbook. Okay, just a minute students, please stay here. Okay, so students, as I told you that today I am going to start chapter 4. Chapter 4, the title. Okay, now I am going to start. Okay, just stay here only. Let me start. Yes. Chapter 4, as I told you students that the title of this chapter, More on Microsoft Word 2007. Got it? Now I am going to start this chapter. Please pay attention here. Yes, you can see here this textbook content. So students, this is the title. Now I read this one by one sentence because very carefully you have to pay attention here. The many things you have to learn in this chapter. Students, you know that Microsoft Word document that provides you different facility that you can create any type of document with help of this Microsoft Word application, and many things you can add here. You can use different options, you can format it. So please, you have to learn many things in this chapter, so please pay attention properly. Okay, now I am going to start here. Microsoft Word is a word processor that helps you to create documents with professional look. It provides features to type and modify text. It also enhances the appearance of a text and gives an option to preview a document before printing it. Okay, so Microsoft Word, it is a processor that helps you to create a document, as I told you. Okay, there are many different types of document you need to prepare, and you need to give the professional look, like application, like letters, like it means articles. So these type of things you can very well prepare in a Microsoft Word. Even many features are available in this Microsoft Word, so you can also enhance that appearance of your text and your document. And afterward, you can take a print also. Got it? So that's why this Microsoft Word document, it is a very useful. Now next, here you can see copy formatting to another selection. Now this is a very nice option or very nice feature that it is given in a Microsoft Word. I read the definition. Format Painter tool is used to copy the formatting effects of a piece of a text to another selection. It means that students, what is the meaning of this? That if you want to select that some effect together, then you have to use copy formatting of Format Painter tool to copy that formatting effects. Now I will show you that how you can use it. First I will read the steps and then I will show you that how you can apply this effect. Now I read the first point. Select the text with the formatting you want to copy and click on the Format Painter button. This type of button it is given, that I will show you in the clipboard group on the home tab. Second point, the pointer changes into a brush shape. Now apply the copied format by selecting the text and clicking on it. Third point, the formatting attributes of the previous text will be applied to the new text. Now here it is a tip it is given. I am just read just now and then I will explain. Okay. To copy formatting to multiple text, double click on the Format Painter button and apply the effects. Format Painter is a toggle button. What is a toggle button? That I will show you. Toggle button. To turn off the Format Painter, click on the button again. It is known as a toggle button, that which is on and off from the same button. When you are use on and off from the same button, then this type of buttons known as a toggle buttons. Okay. Now I show you students that how you can apply this effect. I am just going to start that Microsoft Word. First you have to on Microsoft Word document. You have to choose that blank document. Okay, you can see here, this is a that blank document, it is given here. Fine. Okay, this is my document. Fine. Now I want to use Format Painter option. First of all, I show you that where it is in a Home tab. Look at here, students, Home tab. Look at here, Format Painter option. It is given in a clipboard group. Okay. Now what I will do, I just make a font big so you can see it properly. Okay. Fine. Now I just write this is my simple writing. Okay, and now next, now see, I will change font. I just make Algerian. I change color purple, and now I will write okay. Okay, students, so look at here, I just make big. Okay, now you can see the difference, students, that the Rajkumar College Rajkot, it is in a different font, different size, and from 5 computer science, it is also in a different font style, different color, different size. Now this Form 5 computer science, I want to change in this font. Now look at here, I will select this, and now I just click on a Format Painter button. Sorry, my mouse is not working properly, so I just get a difficulty to select. Okay, once again I select this portion. Look at here, as I select this text and I click here, you can see here this icon is changed, and now I apply on this. Once again I show you, by mistake my mouse was okay. Got it? What happened? That as I took this effect and I have applied here in this title. Once again I show you. First of all, I select this part, I click on this Format Painter button, my icon is totally changed, look at here, and I just drag on this. Got it? Whatever I have selected effect, that effect I can apply in this title, the Rajkumar College Rajkot. Now second time I will do. Now what I will do? Now here, this Rajkumar College Rajkot, see that font style, it's Calibri and 24 size and color is a black. Now this effect I want to apply in this Form 5 Computer Science. So what I will do, I have already selected this. I will click on this Format Painter button. I get this, and now wherever I want to apply, I just apply on it. I will apply here. Got it? Now this, it's changed in this font. So in this way, students, you can use this Format Painter button, and as I told you that you can apply these formatting effects on the piece of text in another selection. So this is the format painter button, that function. Okay, once again I show you. Now I change it. I just do some more changes in it. Okay, look at here. Change red color and Arial black. Now I want to write here. I will write here I choose the different effect. Okay, Old English. Now you can observe, students, both the font style different. Now I will apply here this. I select this. I click on a format painter button. My icon is totally changed. Got it? Okay. So in this way, students, you can use this format painter button option and you can apply this type of effect. Okay, got it, students? Hope you that you understood it. Fine. I think that you understood it, and today, students, I explained this one point only of a format painter button, because this is a very important that you can understand it properly. Okay, students? So hope you that you understand it, that what is the use of a format painter button in a Microsoft Word. Now in the next, it means in a tomorrow's session, I will explain the next topic. One by one topic I will take and I will explain, because I have to show you the practical part also of this chapter. Then you can understand that all features and all options in a Microsoft Word nicely. That's why I will take one topic and I will explain and I will give you demo. Okay, fine, students. If it is possible at your home, please do practice. Okay, fine. So this session is over. We will meet in tomorrow's session with the next topic. Fine. Thank you. Bye.